I bought this blood pressure machine a few weeks ago, and just to show you everything inside and how to set it up. So let me open the box, and you will see there's the main body of the monitor. That's the waistband, which is clearly instructed how you put on your arm. And you basically connect this to the monitor. It's very straightforward to set up and easy to put it on. One thing to catch up on that is that you need to put 3 or 4 actually 3A batteries. So I will put the batteries in. Okay, cool. Oh, okay, you see it's turned up, and you can basically set date and start using that.
Please remain seated and refrain from talking during measurement, and keep cuff at the heart level.
Yeah. I will be using that to monitor my blood pressure then. This is not working now because I'm not doing that.
Please take measuring over.
Cool. And there's the user menu and also the charging cable. So you can use it either with batteries or charge it. Thank you.